Recap. Billy is flying a lovely red kite. The kite is 50 meters away from Billy. Meter is a unit of length. Billy goes to fill water. He takes 3 liters of water from the tap. Liter is a unit of volume. 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram and 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Good revision, Billy. Measurement of length. Teacher Nancy is in the library. A pin pricks her finger. The pin is 1 centimeter in length. As Nancy ma'am walks through the corridor, the wall is 1 meter high. The road between Delhi and Lucknow is 497 kilometers long. Length is measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Perimeter. Teacher Lucy makes out a rectangular figure on the graphical board. She labels the corners as A, B, C and T. If you add the length of all the sides of this figure, it is called perimeter. So, perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA or 12 units. We've got your point, ma'am. Concept of area. Teacher Nancy has a graphical board where the length between 2 dots is 1 centimeter. She draws a figure and measures out the successive squares enclosed by the figure. So, 4 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width gives 4 square centimeter. The lower area is 3 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width is 3 square centimeter. The total area is 7 square centimeter. Nancy ma'am draws another figure on the next graphical board. The top part of the figure is 4 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide, which makes the area 4 into 2 equal to 8 square centimeter. The bottom part of the figure is a square 2 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. The area here is 2 multiplied by 2 or 4 square centimeter. The total area is therefore 12 square centimeter. Nancy ma'am says you can count the squares and check your answer. Oh, how easy!
Fun maths. Here is a collection of cubical blocks. Let's count the cubes. To do this, you break up the shape into layers of 1 cube thickness and count the cubes layer by layer. So, the bottom layer is 3 cubes wide and 4 cubes long, or 3 into 4 is equal to 12 cubes. The layer above is also 12 cubes. Above this are 2 into 4 is equal to 8 cubes and the top layer is 4 cubes. Add all this and you get 36 cubical blocks. Let's see another pack of cubical blocks. Separate the layers and count. 5 cube length and 3 cube width, so 15. The next layer is also 15 cubes. The top layer is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 cubes. Add all this and you get 39 cubical blocks. Here is another pack of cubes. Separate the layers. 5 layers and 2 layers is 7 layers. Count, it's 6 into 2 is equal to 12 cubes. There are 4 such layers. The next are 2 layers of 4 cubes and 1 layer of 6 cubes. The total is 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. This adds up to 62 cubical blocks.
Measurement of weight. Robbie Mouse is early in class to revise the unit of weight measurement. He writes on the board that 1 kilogram is made up of 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is also made up of 2 parts of 500 grams, or half kilogram is 500 gram. Robbie writes that 1 kilogram is made of 5 parts of 200 gram, or 200 gram is 1/5 of a kilogram. Also, 1 kilogram is made of 10 parts of 100 grams. Oh my! Robbie writes 1 kg is made of 20 parts of 50 gram. That was really explicit, Robbie.
Real life problems. Here is some banana on a weighing balance. It is 1 kilogram in weight because the 1 kilogram weight balances the weighing balance. 1 kilogram weight is the same as 2 weights of 500 gram. It is also the same as 5 weights of 200 grams. Now, here are some grapes with the bananas. This weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams. So, you can see the 1 kilogram weight and 2 weights of 100 grams. This time there are apples on the balance. They get balanced by 2 weights of 1 kilogram. So, they weigh 2 kilogram. This is the same as 4 weights of 500 grams or 10 weights of 200 grams. Remember, weights are standard measures to find out how heavy a thing is.
Measurement of volume. Robbie has a cup, a kettle and a bucket on the table. Robbie says liter is used to measure large quantity of liquids and milliliter is used to measure smaller quantity of liquids. A cup can carry 500 milliliter of a liquid. A kettle can carry 1 liter and a bucket 10 liters. Good going, Robbie. Measurement of time. The clock and the watch tell us time. It is 7 o'clock in the clock. The minute hand takes 1 full round to complete 1 hour. It is 8 o'clock now. Each quarter hour is 15 minutes. 2 quarter is half an hour. So, after 60 minutes, it is 9 o'clock. Expressing time using AM and PM. It's night time and one day has 24 hours. The clock reads 12 AM. It is midnight of the previous 24-hour day. It is noon now. The clock reads 12 PM. It is noon or midday. 12 hours later, the clock again reads 12 AM when it is midnight of the next day.
Real life problems. Pravesh and Lalita visited the zoo with their parents at 9:15 am and returned at 5:10 pm. They travelled from home by car and reached the zoo at 10 am. This is 45 minutes. From 10 am to 12 noon, they saw some animals in their cages. This took 2 hours. From 12 noon to 5 pm, they saw some more big animals. This took 5 hours. At 5 pm, they drove out in their car to reach the market at 5:10 pm. This took 10 minutes. Let's add the time taken by them. So, 45 plus 10 minutes is 55 minutes. 2 and 5 hours is 7 hours. So, the zoo visit took 7 hours and 55 minutes. Fun maths. Let's compare a 24-hour clock with a 12-hour clock. When it is 12 noon, it is called 1200 hours. When it is 2 am, it is 0200 hours. At 3:30 am, it is 02:30 3:30 hours. At 11:45 am, it becomes 11:45 hours. 1 pm becomes 1300 hours. 2:30 pm is called 1430 hours. 4 pm is 1600 hours. 10:45 pm is 2245 hours. And 12 midnight is 2400 hours. Also 0000 hours. That was fun.
Years, months, weeks and days. Teacher Lucy is here telling us about the calendar. Lucy ma'am says that one calendar year has 12 months or 52 weeks or 365 days. But a leap year has 366 days and comes once in 4 years. So, the leap year comes after 48 months or 208 weeks or 1460 days. 10 years period is called a decade. Thank you, ma'am. Conversion of time. Let's learn time conversion with teacher Nancy. One week is made of 7 days and 21 days make up 3 weeks. One year has 12 months, so 3 years is 1 year plus 1 year plus 1 year. Or 12 plus 12 plus 12 equal to 36 months. Leap year. 1 year has 365 days. If a year can be divided by 4, it is called a leap year. The leap year has 29 days in February. Watch the calendar. February 2008 has 29 days. This means 365 plus 1 equal to 366 days. And 2008 is a leap year. Leap year. 1 year has 365 days. If a year can be divided by 4, it is called a leap year. The leap year has 29 days in February. Watch the calendar. February 2008 has 29 days. This means 365 plus 1 equal to 366 days. And 2008 is a leap year.